Hi, I'm Valerie Meekum, and my profession app is called Student Success. This app connects the student, parent, and teacher together in a way that helps the student be successful in their education. In my research, I learned that school attendance is important to a student's success, and knowing my own experience with my children, I wanted to create an app that would be beneficial for students, parents, and teachers. I wanted to provide a way for students to be on time to class, as well as organized in their studies and responsibilities at school. In designing the app, I included a logo that is recognizable in education. The colors are solid foundational primary colors, using the dark and light hues to give contrast. In working with lots of content, I wanted to make sure that the fonts were clear and easy to read in all font sizes and weights. The Student Mobile provides the student with access to their grades, assignments, and tools to help them to be responsible in their education. The Parent Mobile app provides parents with tools to access each of their students' progress reports, gives them ways to track their student in school, and ways to schedule appointments with those in the school. The Teacher Desktop helps the teacher to report attendance and to manage their student and class files. Let's run through a couple of scenarios. Let's say you are a student who has a few tardies in several of your classes. You tend to stop by your locker and talk to your friends too long and don't leave enough time to get to your next class. With a timer that pops up as soon as your last class ends, you know exactly how long you have until the next class begins. Managing your time has helped you to prevent more tardies. Let's also say that you remember that you have a math test coming up and you wanted to get some help. Signing up for a tutoring time at the end of school is easy and convenient. Next, let's say you're the parent and it's nearing the end of the term and you would like to be there for parent-teacher conferences. The app provides the means to set up that appointment with those teachers that you know you need to make time to see. Finally, for the teacher, with so much material to cover in 45 minutes of class, taking time to mark attendance can use up valuable time for the lesson. With Student Success app, those students that use the app automatically get entered into the roll, and you simply need to verify the report. Learning to work with integrated apps has been eye-opening. There are so many different elements and components that require lots of attention, including designing principles and elements, which made it a bit of a challenge and fun. Thanks for watching.